Operation Violet Panama was a complex investigation that was being run by the Force Intelligence and Organised Crime Unit. It was an investigation into cannabis factory and cannabis cultivation across the South Wales area. It initially commenced in November 2017, where 15 cannabis factories were identified. In addition to the 15 cannabis factories we originally identified, working with the other forces and the other partner agencies, we identified 54 premises. Such was the complexity in the investigation that it resulted in us having to try to identify foreign nationals who'd been smuggled and brought into the country illegally, some of which were purporting to be children, which upon investigation we identified that they weren't, despite all the safeguarding that was put in place to protect them. We actually recovered 2.5 tonnes of cannabis, which had a street value of over £6 million. And we also recovered £23,000 in cash and goods. The heads of the organised crime group are expected to have made over £25 million. Most of this was sent out of the country to Vietnam. As a result of the operation, 24 people have been arrested and 20 of those having been found guilty are now starting substantial custodial sentences.